everyone, it's KK and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I will be reviewing the Freetress Equal Invisible L-part wig in the style Letty. The color that I have is OP430. I would describe this as like holiday hair, fall hair, and I am so excited to be reviewing it. If you want a first impression of the Letty wig, keep watching. Before I get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share this video so that other people can see this slayage. Okay, so I already took it out the packaging. I got this wig from Wig Types, and here it is. As you can see, it already has the curls popping or whatever, and that OP30 is like a pretty brown color. I'm gonna go ahead and tear up this box and get it open so we can see what it looks like. So here it is in the hairnet, and I'm going to take it out. And oh my goodness, look how bouncy the curls are. Okay, this is so pretty. The unit does not come with lace or anything, so you don't have to worry about cutting that. It looks like it comes with some baby hairs, y'all. We're gonna see how good they do. And then this is what the cap construction looks like. Looks pretty breathable, and it comes with 2 adjustable straps in the back and then combs in the front. I am so excited for the combs. The part isn't too bad. I am not mad at this part at all. I probably can put some powder in it and be done, or some concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this baby on and we're gonna see how it works. So this is it with no adjusting or anything. I wouldn't necessarily describe it as big head friendly yet, but I'm going to go ahead and adjust the straps so we can really see how it's going to lay on my head. For one, let me just say I love the luster of this. It's not too shiny or anything, and I think the color looks so pretty. This is a right side part, so to make it lay a little bit flatter, I am going to use this curling iron. Y'all, I'm not really feeling this like cap construction, because like it's really loose in the back because I had to undo the straps or whatever. In the front, it's like not coming all together. Like there's no kind of room. I am getting some frizziness over here. Don't really have any tangling yet. That's just one strand of shedding that I got. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some powder, some concealer to kind of clean up this part right here, and then I'm going to try and lay my baby hairs. So y'all, actually hooked the adjustable straps back on the last notch because I did not like the amount of lifting I was getting. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this hot curling iron to kind of flatten this out a little bit. Like so. And I have this on 25, so I don't know if that equates to 250 or what, but it's not on the hottest setting. So put some more concealer at the front. We getting somewhere, we getting somewhere. And let me just try to just kind of smooth down a little bit of these baby hairs just to see how they'll do. Okay, got some baby hairs right here. I'm gonna go in with the, focus on me. I'm gonna go in with the Got To Be Ultra Glued, and we are going to slick these babies down, try to make it just a little bit more realistic. Jeez. Okay, so I got it to about how I want it to be. I don't know if this shows up on camera, but it is kind of frizzy. I ain't really feeling that, but the curls are beautiful. I don't think I'm gonna touch them too much because the frizz is like really bad, but it comes about like maybe, wow, it comes to my like butt bone. I didn't expect for it to be that long. But this is the curls in the front. I might wear them to the back, do a little finger comb through it or whatever. Scoot back. finger comb. It is a very pretty wig. This is like date night, fall. I don't really have a lot of faith in Freetress. I don't know how long it's going to last me. Maybe a couple of weekends. I don't know if it'll even last me till Thanksgiving, when it would be like really cute to wear this. But you know, I wanted to take a leap of faith. But I think for going to church today, it's gonna be really nice. And I will do a wear test, and I will be right back after church to tell y'all my thoughts. All right, y'all, so I am back from church, and this is what she looks like. I actually pulled the curls apart with my fingers just to kind of give it a little bit more volume before I left, and I'm gonna go ahead and tell you all the pros and the cons after a couple of hours of wear. The pros: I love the curls. I love this color. I think I'm gonna start getting more wigs in this color. I usually either go for a black or just a random other color, but I love this brown color. It is so freaking pretty on my skin. Ooh, ooh. Even though this is a lot of hair, it is pretty lightweight. The density is really great, and it does not feel like you're wearing a whole bunch of hair. It felt pretty weightless the whole time I was wearing it, so I really like that. Now, as far as the cons of the wig, I didn't really like how frizzy it would get. I'm sure that can maybe be fixed with either maybe some water or some hairspray, but I'm always skeptical of putting hairspray on synthetic wigs because you just don't want to put too much product on them, because that's when they start going all types of wonky. I did get some tangling in the nape area, but for the most part, I didn't really touch this hair a whole lot when I was sitting down in the pew. One thing I will say, if you are getting this for a special occasion, I would just go ahead and get the wig right before. Don't get it a couple weeks before, or maybe a month or two before, and wear it. Because, I mean, I'll update you all, but I just don't think it's gonna last me too long, because it's already kind of, especially like right here, it's already kind of tangling. It's long enough to where you don't really see it underneath. But I know that can be really annoying for some people, so just forewarning. Another thing I didn't really like about this wig was the cap construction. I just don't really like how you have all this space on the sides, and it's super loose in the back but super tight in the front. I wouldn't really describe it as big head friendly. So if you can, try it on in the wig store before you buy it, maybe off Wig Types, so that way you can see if it'll fit your head or not. But I got a lot of compliments on it. Definitely something if you want to show up to the holiday party, you know your ex gonna be there, or maybe that family member who don't like you and stunt. Then this is definitely the unit to do it in. As far as like appearance, like I give it a 9.5. Like, it's just really pretty and it looks really pretty. But as far as the maintenance and construction, that's kind of more of along the lines of like a 6 or a 7. I'm just glad it did come with combs. I would say it's a 7 because it came with combs. All right, y'all, so I can finally say I done had Letty from Freetress or whatever, you know, finally done got a hold of her. Thank you all so much for subscribing. Don't forget to like and comment on this video, and let me know if you all like this whole setup. Y'all, somebody done left a bad comment talking about it was on one of my old videos. They were saying how, well, you were just talking the whole time and you didn't really show cap construction or nothing. So let me know if y'all like this way that I did it. Cap construction, start with another wig so you can really get a feel of it. I feel like it's a more holistic review, and it was constructive criticism, but I didn't like how it was from a video I did a year ago. It was like, girl, I didn't upgrade it since then. As always, thank you all so much for watching this video and tuning in, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye. And so if you want to keep watching, oh my god, but I mean, hey, for I think, oh, I don't know how much I paid for this. Focus. It's such a cute brown color, like I can't believe it. But today I had time to film, made sure to get early, super, like, wait, make sure to get early, what?